Going on a long vacation, you're more likely to target your home when you're away. You can trick them into thinking you're home by setting up automatic lights inside your home before you leave. It's also a good idea to install motion-activated sensors on your outdoor lights. Even if you have automatic lights and motion sensors, other details in your home might give your absence away. For instance, a pile of newspapers and mail or an unkept lawn may signal that you're not home. To avoid that, ask a friend or neighbor to grab your mail and arrange for lawn care in the middle of your vacation. Prevent a home disaster from ruining your long vacation. Before you go, make sure to unplug all small appliances and electronics. Turn off water valves to your dishwater, sinks, and washing machine as well. Check all the smoke detectors in your home. Replace any batteries if needed. Also, if you have smart smoke detectors, don't forget to connect them to your phone so you get real-time alerts so you can stop a house fire right away. Make sure to notify your home security company that you'll be out of town for a few days or weeks before you go. This way, the company can keep a closer watch on your home. Don't forget to set the security system before leaving the house. With these precautions, you'll gain peace of mind and feel more relaxed during your trip.
Fire extinguisher. Ginagamit po ito tuwing may emergency. Paano ba gamit ito? Ito. Una, pull the pin in the handle. Tapos yung pangalawa naman is aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. And third, squeeze the lever slowly. And fourth, shift from side to side. Ganun lang po gamitin yung fire extinguisher tuwing may emergency.
Paano emergency?
Tuwing may sunog. Ganun. In case na magkasunog yun.
Smoke detector. Ano ba ang smoke detector? Ang halimbawa ng smoke detector, ito. Ano ba ang purpose ng smoke detector? Bakit may mga smoke detector sa mga establishment or building? So, ang paggamit ng smoke detector, may nagkaroon ng in case of fire, is nag-cause yan ng usok. Then, nade-detect ng smoke detector and nakakonect yan. Example, dito sa school, nakakonect yan sa baba. Then, pag nakalakap siya ng usok, is nag-a-alarm dun sa baba. Then, automatically, is dun sa baba, mag-a-alarm pa sila and magtatawag ng fireman.
So, pag-usapan natin kung ano ang mga pwedeng maging safety in case of fire. Ito, number one na, itong ating fire hose. So, kapag ka-emergency, i-break mo na itong glass. Pagkatapos mo ma-break yan, i-open mo. Then, tukulin mo. Tapos kung nasan yung apoy na yun, pupunta ka doon. Isa ka-emergency, sunog, pupunta ka. Pupunta ka na siya, isip yung apoy. Kaya medyo lumayo ka kasi medyo malakas yung apoy. Ngayon, ibusan mo yung tubig na galing sa fire hose. Kaya kung napatay mo na yung apoy, babalik ka. Tapos, yan. Tignan mo. Yung fire hose. Dito, ayun, pagkataas mo ibalik. Siguraduhin mo muna, isasara mo to. Tapos ngayon, pagkataas nito, magbutot mo na sa pit.
Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung padlock. Ano ba yung purpose ng padlock? Padlock is para maprotektahan mo yung mga mahalaga sa'yo. Tsaka for your security na rin. Tsaka sa mga magdadakot. So, yun lang.
CCTV is a part of security system to detect crime any person to be monitoring any crime. So, lahat po is ano po yung CCTV sa mga magnanakaw, lalo sa mga parang ngayon, tulad ng mga krimen at mga nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran. Ito po ay mahalagang maitutulong sa ating bayan.